Hi, honeys. It's Michelle Escalon. I'm here today to open up a Nadine West bag with you. I couldn't help it. I did tear it open, but I haven't looked at what's inside yet. And I thought it might be nice to sit out here and go through what's inside with you so that I can give you a nice up close view of the jewelry that's in here. And then I'll take you into my room and show you what the clothes look like on. I feel like I've done enough of these Nadine West bags now to where you guys know what they're about and how they work. And if you're curious for that explanation, I'll put the link to their website down below in the description box. And you can go on there and check it out. Also, I do think if you use my code to get a Nadine West bag of your own, we both get a kickback. I want to say it's $10 we each get as a kickback. So if you want to use it, great. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is this. Oh, it's a dress. I'm really into these dresses. They're like t-shirt dresses, but softer. And I like the ones that are long sleeve, short sleeve, quarter sleeve. I like these colors though, kind of 70s looking, right? So this will be fun to try on, but it's very soft. I really like it. Just a nice A-line skirt. Or a nice A-line dress. One thing that I really like about these two, there's so much that you can do with these to wear them really any season of the year. I feel like in the winter you can wear tights or leggings with them. In the summer you can just have bare legs. Also in the fall and winter you can wear those ankle boots, but then in the spring and summer you can wear wedges. I just think that these kind of dresses are perfect. You can dress them up with accessories. You can just leave it plain and dress it down a little bit. Of course, how you do your hair has a lot to do with how formal something looks. Okay, the next thing is this. Oh, it's a t-shirt cut like this one that I'm wearing now. Obviously, I like these with the crisscrosses along the front. Isn't that cute? Oh, real quick though. This dress here is Sunday Morning brand and it is in a 2X. So it might run a little bit small because I did tell them that I am a 1X now. And then this is hippie chic. It's really soft and it's kind of it's gray with like a light peach undertone. Do you see that? I really like that. Kind of into like peaches and golds and light pinks lately, so I'm a big fan of that. I don't see the size anywhere on here. It's probably on that little sheet here. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't say there either what size it is. Okay, well, that's all right. And then the other clothing item are these leggings. They're fleece lined leggings, high waist shaping, ultimate support for outstanding results, all day, all night comfort, one size fits all. Okay, we'll try them out, but I'm thinking these aren't going to fit. And that the brand is New Mix. But yeah, just going like this, I can feel it's like pulling too much, you know? My hips are bigger than that. So we'll see, but I'm not real sure that these are going to be for me. But they look like tights and they're leggings, if that makes sense. That kind of fabric. On to the jewelry. This is the exciting part, I think. Okay, now just to let you know, I'm looking down at the little sheet that came in. The crisscross front top in blush is the color they're calling it. It is $26.99. The leggings are $28.99, And the dress is $29.99. Okay. All right, so this is the first piece of jewelry that I see. Oh my gosh, is that an owl? It's an owl. I don't know if you know this, but I love cats and owls and Kermit the Frog. So obviously I don't have any jewelry on because I knew there was a bunch of jewelry in here. Here's this necklace. Oh my gosh, how cute. This reminds me of when Brad and I first met and were first dating and everything. I had this ring I used to wear that was huge. It went from like here to here with a owl on it, and the owl looked just like this. So it's kind of a nice memory of an exciting time in my life. It's the Arya necklace in silver, and it's $24.99. Let me bring you in close so you can get a look at it and see what you think. Then there is the Give a Hoot bracelet. Sure. Here's what it looks like on. And then it's got, looks like it's been folded a little while. It's got these little owls right here. It's got this branch here and then a bird. There it is on. I think it's so cute, but the layers on it, they keep kind of pushing together and covering each other up. And I want to be able to see all this cuteness if I'm going to wear it. So I don't know if it's really something that I'm a fan of or not. This almost looks like one of those bracelets that in pictures is so cute, and then you try it on and it's like, it's okay. See how it's all jumbles together like this? You can't see the owls. It's all about the owls, you guys. So I guess I can kind of see why these bracelets didn't take off a whole lot when they came out. So that was the Give a Hoot and blue bracelet, and it's $9.99. Then we have we have another bracelet. Here's this other one. I love bracelets like this, where they have this kind of clasp in them, and you can just kind of pull it apart with your fingers. It's so much easier to put them on by yourself if you're home alone or you live alone or whatever. It's so much easier to put these on by yourself. And there's something about the way this dangles that I just love. I don't know why, I just do. And if you saw my last video, you know I'm a big fan of silver and gold together. It's just something I'm kind of into right now. Oh, I like that so much. This is the Becky bracelet in silver and gold. Silver and gold. And it's $14.99 for this. Ooh, I really like this one. Might leave this on. Means I'm probably keeping it. Then we have these earrings here. They are the Staria Antique Silver Cream earrings, and they're $8.99. These are super pretty, aren't they? I like them. What do you think? I'm scared to put them on in case I don't keep them. I don't want to be. But those are the, I think I already said that, Starla and Antique Silver and Cream for $8.99. Okay. And then the last piece of jewelry is this. It's the Barb earring in brown for $14.99. And here's what they look like. The brand is Rue 27. I don't think I'm going to keep these though. I've seen earrings that look just like this at Walmart for $3. So if I want them, I'll go there to get them, I think, because these are $14.99, which seems a little bit high for what they are. Just my opinion, just being honest. I'm going to go ahead and try these clothes on, and I'll show you how they look. Okay, I am in my bedroom. I didn't really take the time to make the bed behind me because my cat Marty, as you can see over here, is sleeping on the bed and I don't want to wake him up. He's very sensitive about this stuff. He's nice enough to let me film in here while he's sleeping, but if I try to make the bed, he'll get so mad. And I just don't want to deal with that for the rest of the week. Okay, so here's that dress. I had some leggings on. I decided to go ahead and leave them on. It's a very soft fabric, and the sleeves are a nice, perfect length. But is it just me, or is this too big on me? It feels too big. It's very loose everywhere. It's here on the arms, which I have pretty big arms. It just feels a little on the loose side. I mean, not that I mind that, but still. It feels like the right size here on the shoulders. The bust is fine. I mean, I've got plenty of room in here. So if you're thinking of getting one of these, and you have a bust my size or larger, I'm a 38 double D. This would work out well for you. But if you're smaller, it might be a little baggy in the bust. But I feel like it's just too big here. Now, with me having this large set of hips, these pockets, now that's the good news. It has pockets. The bad news is the pockets are on the hips right here. And I feel like it adds more size to my hips right here, which I'm not really a fan of. I prefer these kind of dresses not have pockets, or if they do, I like them to be right here. But if you have more of an apple-shaped body, or you have hips that are more narrow than mine, it really probably wouldn't be a big deal. It's just different cuts of clothing are made for different body types, and this kind of dress with the pockets here and this being so loose right here, it's just really not a good fit for my body. Which is too bad because I think it's so cute. Isn't that pretty though? I'm so disappointed though because I really like it. I like the length of the arms too. Look at how they go right to my favorite part, the middle of my hand. So, not gonna work though. And I left my leggings on that I was wearing earlier when I was filming the jewelry because I found out very quickly that those other leggings that are in the bag, they're not going to fit. They're just too small. I'll show you here. That's about, yeah. I have to say, for me personally, anything that says one size fits all or one size fits most usually means that's the one size that ain't gonna fit me. They just never fit these hips that I have and this big butt, you know. So unfortunately, I'm not going to actually pull them on. I think I'm going to rip them if I do, and I don't want to. I will say they're very soft. They're nice fabric, and with the fleece lining, they're very warm. So once again, if you have a smaller butt than I do, or hips that are a little narrower, or even a stomach that's smaller, these would be great, but just not for this body. Well, folks, we have a winner. This shirt. Brad and I both really like this. It's a nice length. It's not too short. It's not too long. It's perfect. I love the crisscrosses. I just think it'd be cute with some jeans. So this is the kind of shirt that I feel would be great for kind of a more casual dinner, maybe going to Outback or Olive Garden or something, with a nice necklace. Maybe that owl necklace. That might be kind of cute, huh? And then this bracelet. I love this bracelet. And I feel like the gold in the bracelet brings out this peachy color that's in here. Love it. I don't know why I'm so about like gold, silver, rose gold, peach, pink. I'm just really in that kind of phase. I don't know. Do you do that where you go through different color phases where certain colors are just super appealing to you? That's like all you want to wear, clothing and makeup wise. That's where I am right now. I don't know if you can see even my eyeshadow. It's a kind of like a rose gold color. I'm just into it. I'm feeling it. It's so soft too. Oh, I really like this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will be back next week with more clothing try-ons for you. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this bag. If you were me, what would you keep? I'm kind of leaning towards this top, the bracelet, and maybe the owl necklace. So let me know what you would keep if you were me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.